Grant Napear is an American sports radio host. He hosted the Grant Napear Show at KHTK Sports 1140 in Sacramento, California. He was previously the play-by-play announcer for the Sacramento Kings of the National Basketball Association. He has been a guest host on The Jim Rome Show. A section of Napear's radio show is the self-titled Grant's Rant, in which he furiously exclaims into the microphone about everyday things that irritate him, such as obese passengers on airplanes, stoplights at freeway on-ramps, and people asking him if he's ready for Christmas during the holidays. His trademark phrase, "If you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball," has become a household reference among Kings fans and NBA fans in general. Napear resigned from his play-by-play position with the Sacramento Kings on June 2, 2020, after posting "All Lives Matter" on Twitter in a reply to former Kings player DeMarcus Cousins. The post came in the midst of the nationwide unrest during the George Floyd protests. Born in Syosset, New York, Napear graduated from Syosset High School in 1977 and earned his academic degree in broadcast journalism from Bowling Green University, where he also played lacrosse. Napear has been accused of racism by former players for the Sacramento Kings and has come under fire for defending Donald Sterling, the former owner of the Los Angeles Clippers, banned from the NBA after making racist remarks. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.